In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Discord server with an invite link. Whether you are brand new to Discord or just have not joined many servers yet, I will walk you through every click so you can get into your server without confusion. Start by opening the Discord desktop app on your computer. Once it opens, you should see a dark window with a column of circular icons on the left side. That column is your server list, and if you have not joined any servers yet, it may be almost empty. Now sign into your account. Enter your email and password, or your phone number if you use that to log in. After you sign in, Discord loads your home view with your servers on the left, your channels in the middle, and your friends list or chat on the right. Next, look at the very bottom of the server list on the left and click the plus button. It looks like a small circle with a plus symbol inside it. When you hover your mouse over it, Discord shows a tooltip that says Add a Server, so you know you have the right button. From there, select Join a Server. A small window pops up in the middle of the screen. You will see two choices, one to create your own server, and one that says Join a Server. Click the Join option, and the window changes to show a single text box waiting for an invite. Now paste the invite link into the box. If someone sent you something like discord.gg/example, copy that first, then click inside the box and paste. You should see the full invite address appear in the field, and Discord may show the server icon and name just under it so you can confirm it looks familiar. Once the invite link is in place, click Join Server. After a second or two, the pop-up closes. Discord switches straight into the new server, and you will notice a new circular icon added to your server list on the left, usually with the server logo. After that, complete any rules screening or verification required by the server. Many servers open a welcome or rules channel automatically. You may see a panel asking you to read rules and click a button to accept, or react with an emoji. Some servers ask you to verify an email or answer a few questions. Once you finish whatever is shown there, new channels appear in the list, which means you now have full access. You can also click the invite link directly if someone sends you a link such as discord.gg/example. Simply click that link from your browser, an email, or a chat, and Discord will open and display the server invitation, usually with the server name, description, and a join button. Choose to join there, and you end up inside the server just like before, with its icon added to your server list. So now you have seen two ways to join a Discord server using an invite link and handle basic screening. If this helped you finally get into your server, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it. And you can subscribe if you want more simple Discord tips.